Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a co-teacher to your Google Classroom. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything important. First of all, simply open your Google Classroom application, or you can go to classroom.google.com in your browser. I'll simply open my application. After opening your application, simply sign into your account. As you can see, I have already signed in. And you can simply click plus icon and create a new class. But as you can see, I have already 3 different classes. To add a co-teacher in each class, simply select a class where you want to add your co-teacher. I will add co-teacher in this class, and after this you will simply go to the option called people, and here you will see the option called teacher and students. You need to invite your co-teacher. To invite the co-teacher, simply click on this plus icon and simply enter your co-teacher email address and simply invite. Once they accept the invite, they will be added as co-teacher. And that's how you add a co-teacher in Google Classroom. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and see you in the next one.